Hello, everyone. My name is Thorsten, and I want to present to you our plans for 15.1 for the source code management team. And on our group directions page, you can find information on what we're currently working, what's up next, and also links to our planning issues. And we're going to go now to the planning issue for 15.1. So what we have planned here is to continue the work on implementing GitLab SSHD on our gitlab.com, and more importantly, also applying the IP allow listing to SSH on gitlab.com. So let's dive into that for a moment to better understand what this is about. So let's look at the documentation directly. So it has been possible to do to restrict the access to GitLab based on the IP address. So you have an allow list with IP addresses that are allowed to have access to your content on gitlab.com. And this has been available for the UI and for the API, meaning HTTP requests. It has not been available for SSH requests. So if you set up an allow list, then all SSH requests will be blocked from any IP address. So with this feature, we want to change that and also apply the allow list for SSH. All right, that's the first bullet here. Second, we're going to continue working on security and availability bugs to reduce risk for you, the customers, users, and also for GitLab. Then we have failed to deliver against our availability target. We're slightly below the target, and we haven't been below the target for many months, but May, April, we have been below, and we need to understand why that is so that we can fix it to get back to on target. To do these three big ticket items, they are mainly backend work. We need to take a pause on our work relating to FIPS compliance in 15.1. So we're not going to do any work in 15.1 on FIPS compliance. Then the next two items are mainly work for the front-end team. So the front-end team will continue and finalize the work on Highlight.js, which will put us in the position to render source code on the browser rather than pre-rendering it on the server and then sending HTML to the browser. This will have a significant performance increase on especially large source code files. Then the second topic that they're concentrating on is starting to work on bringing source code rules into one place. So as you know, you can apply protections and different rules on each branches. And currently they are in many different places, the settings for those. And it's very hard to understand which settings apply to a branch. And we want to put them all together in one place. And the team is going to start this work in 15.1. It will not deliver results in 15.1, but later because it's a bigger piece of work. Then we're going to also document the calculation of storage in GitLab. This is important for customers that host themselves and need to know how much storage they are going to need. Then we're going to continue to improve our documentation on merge options. We have already made some changes there recently, and we're going to continue the work and make further improvements. Yeah, that's basically the whole packet of 15.1. I think it's a lot of different work, and I'm excited to see this is happening. I hope you too, and have a good day.